All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to join tuples. So join two tuples. To join two or more tuples, you can use the plus operator. Multiply tuples. If you want to multiply the content of a tuple a given number of times, you can use the times operator. Okay, so with that, let's jump into our notebook and take a look at this. Okay, so we're inside our notebook. So to join two or more tuples, you can use the plus operator. So let's go ahead and do that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do tuple 1 equals, and it's going to be A, and then B, and C, okay? And then we're going to do tuple 2 equals, and we're going to do 1, comma 2, comma 3, okay? And then tuple 3, okay, will equal tuple 1 plus tuple 2. And then we'll do print tuple 3, okay? We'll run that, and what do we get? A big error. Why? Well, let's take a look. So tuple 2 is not minus, it's equal to. Okay, so once we look at the error code here, and then I run it again, we're good to go. So we get ABC 1, 2, 3. So we got exactly what we want, okay? So now to multiply tuples, if you want to multiply the content of a tuple a given number of times, you can use the times operator. Okay, so for this, we would do my tuple equals Facebook, Google, and YouTube. Let's do Google, Facebook, and YouTube. Okay. And then we do my tuple equals how about your tuple? Okay, your tuple equals my tuple. And then times 5. Okay, and then we'll print my tuple. Whoops. Let's print my tuple. Okay, now I'll run it. I get Google, Facebook, and YouTube. Okay. And we'll do your tuple. Okay, now it should multiply by 2. There you go. Now if I do it 52 times, there you go. Then we have a lot of items here, which is fine. Okay, so that's how you join tuples. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.